Voicemail unavailable after iOS 27? Try these fixes now. Check phone settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Use the alphabetical index on the right and select P. Select Phone from the list. Scroll and find the Live Voicemail option. If Live Voicemail is already enabled, turn it off. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes the voicemail service and can resolve temporary issues. Restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the Apple logo appears. After your iPhone restarts, open the phone app and check your voicemail again if your voicemail is still unavailable. Refresh your network connection. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for 20 to 30 seconds, then turn airplane mode off. This forces your iPhone to reconnect to your carrier's network. It can often resolve temporary voicemail and cellular connection issues. Check important settings. If your voicemail is still unavailable, there are a few more settings you should check. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this feature is enabled, temporarily turn it off. Next, open the Phone app. If you're using the new Phone app layout and can't find your voicemail, tap the three-dot menu. Switch from Unified View to Classic View or from Classic View back to Unified View. This refreshes the Phone app interface and may restore the missing Voicemail tab. Once you're in Unified View, tap the Voicemail tab to see all your voicemail messages in one place. If your voicemail is still unavailable, continue to the next solution. Check for software updates. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Software updates often include fixes for voicemail and carrier-related issues. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. This will reset your Wi-Fi, cellular, VPN, and other network settings, but it won't delete your personal data. Once the reset is complete, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. And check if your voicemail is working again. If your voicemail is still unavailable, contact Apple support. If you've tried every solution in this video and your voicemail is still unavailable, it's time to contact your carrier or Apple support. If the issue started after an iOS update, Apple support can help troubleshoot any software-related problems. And that's it.